Today I'm going to show you very useful tool of the software. This is very important tool. Every editor uses this. So first tip is very simple. You might know, you might not know, but still I have to tell you because other tips are based on this tip. The first tip is if this tool is selected and then if I come here and then I select this green and then I do this, this will trim. But if I select this tool, which is trim edit mode, and then extend this will not trim. This is called ripple effect. Extending the end of the clip will shift all the clips to right. And if I do this with here, same thing. This will turn green only if there's more clip to extend, otherwise not. I give you another example. See here, this is the start of the clip. If I click here, this red thing will show. If I do this, I cannot extend it because there's no more clip to extend. Okay. And if I do this, this will turn green and I can extend till the red part. Second tip is what if I want to extend more than one clip? Most of the editors will come here, press Control key, click here, and then again press Control key, click here, Control key. These are 4 clips. It will be easy for me. But what if there are multiple clips? You can't do that to every other clip. I will first do the timeline like this. Then this icon should come. Keep the cursor in the empty area. There should be no clip. Then select all if there are multiple clips. Green thing will come in both the clips. You have to first press U so that this green will shift from middle to start. Now the green is at the start. So if I extend one, all the clips will extend from the start. If you don't do this, see what will happen. Only one clip, so your whole hard work will go in waste. Okay, I'll select all, press U, and then if I want to do it for the end, I will do this. This also will happen, so make sure either you unselect that with the control and press there and then or delete the gap. More convenient will be pressing control and doing that. What if I want to extend frames like 10 frames, 5 frames, 15 frames, 1 minute? You can't do all this and then how much you will see. This is 1 minute. So you want to extend all. This was here before. This is the duration of the playhead. If I click on plus icon, this will turn this. Press U. Make sure you do that. Okay. These are of different duration. This is 1 minute. This is like 3 minutes. All the clips are of multiple durations. You will press Control D and then you will try it. No, first of all, you can't press Control D here. You can't. You will not be able to do it because the selection is like this. For pressing Control D, you have to come here and then select all and then select this tool and then you can press Control D. Then the duration will come, but all of this will be of same duration. The duration of all the clips will change. You don't want that. This will trim the clips to that duration. This will ripple. Suppose I'll do frames 30 frames. The individual clips are trimmed to 30 frames. If you don't want that, so you have this method. Make sure this selected, select all, press U. First I will show you end and start because they're little bit different. So I'll show you the end first. If you want to extend the end without changing the duration, we'll come here. Don't click anywhere, just click plus key on your keyboard. Plus minus plus key. And then if you want to extend from 10 frames, you will type 10 frame. This is hours, this is minute, this is second, this is frames. So I want to extend by 10 frames. If you want to decrease duration without changing it, you have to click on just minus and then do it by 15 frames. Now, if you do this with the start of the clip, then if you do plus and then 10, playhead will move. Didn't change the clips. So to change it, you have to do minus, not plus. Write 10 and then this will extend the clips. You can do plus and minus with the end clip and then only minus with the start of the clip. Tip number 3, if you come here and this icon comes, the video inside will move. And if you move again below, if this icon comes, clip itself will move. Another tip is like suppose if I cut this part and then this part and then continue the edit, but now I want to again rejoin this thing. I don't want this part to be cutted. How much Control Z I will do? If you have done immediately, you can do Control Z, but if you have done further edit, you can't do that. Again, this tool will help. And this icon comes, select all. Now you have to press backspace key. And now this has joined. This will not work with these. I'll show you. Select all and now press backspace. The error will show the selected clips cannot be joined as frames on either side are adjacent source frame. So you have to make sure frames aren't extended. Now this won't happen. So make sure nothing has happened at the clip and then you can join those. Okay. So if you have more tips using this tool, you can comment down below. Make sure you like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Do watch the video which I have made how to make line arrow animation. I will later make a video in which I will do advanced line arrow animations using this. Do watch the video